Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the area of a sector, because last time we were looking at the length of an arc of a sector. So we have this sector, which is A or B, with the length of with an arc of C. This is the way it is. So in the question we are asked to find the area of the sector. And if you can see, the angle, it is radian. So that means we are going to use this formula, which is area equals half theta r squared, or area equals half r squared theta. Then half radius, we have a radius of, or here we have a radius of 6. So if we put 6 here, power 2 multiplied by the angle, which is theta over 3. Oh, this is the pi over 3, not theta. Then it will be half. This is 36 multiplied by pi over 3, in which it will be 2 into 2 into 36, which is 80. Then 3 into 3, which is 1, 3 into 18, which is 6. Then here we're going to have 6 pi, in which 6 pi, when you simplify, 6 multiplied by 3.142, we're going to have 18.8 centimeter squared, because we are finding the area. This is the answer when finding the area. So now let's find the area of a segment ABC. So we have to find this. So for us to find this only part here, we have to subtract this sector minus this triangle here, which you can see here. So the formula for finding the difference of triangle and a segment of ABC, so it will be area equals half r squared theta minus half r squared sine theta. We all know that in trigonometry, when finding the area of a triangle, it is half r squared sine theta. And we all know that where there is theta, we have, and if you can see this thing here, we have already found it. It is 18 point. This is 18.8. So minus. So let's simplify what is here, which is 1 over 2 multiplied by 6 squared, then sine. Here at the theta we have pi over 3, in which 18.8 minus half 6 squared, it is 36, then sine pi over 3, which is 18.8 minus half into 36. We are going to have 18. This is 18. 2 into 2, which is 1. 2 into 36, which is 18. So here we have 18 sine sine pi over 3. So for you to know this, we have to take this radian into degree, in which it will be pi over 3 multiplied by 180 over pi. Then pi cancels each other, in which will remain with 3 into 3 into 180, which is 60. And we all know that sine 60, so here we're going to have 18.8 minus 18 sine 60. So if you punch on calculator 18.8 minus 18 multiplied by sine 60, it is 0.866. Then let's try to multiply now. This is 18.8 minus, if you multiply 15.588, and then when you subtract 18, 3.2 centimeters squared, because we are finding the area of this arc here, this segment here. So this is the difference of this segment minus from this triangle here. In length between arc AB, this is arc AB, and the chord, this is chord. Here this is chord, and this is an arc. So we have to find the difference. So the difference, it will be we all know that length, it is r theta minus 2r sine theta over 2. So this is a formula to use when finding the length of, this is the length of an arc, this chord here. So in which it will be r, we have 6 multiplied by pi, we have, or theta, we have pi over 3 minus 2 multiplied by 6, then sine pi or theta over 2. Theta over 2, in which it will be 3 into 3, which is 1, 3 into 6, which is 2. Here we are going to have 2 pi minus 2 times 6, it is 12 sine theta over 2. So we have to take this theta. So here it's more like we have 2 pi minus 12 sine theta multiplied by half. So we have to multiply this half by this theta, which we have pi over 3, in which we are going to have 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. So we are going to have 2 pi minus 12 sine pi over 6. And remember, if you take this pi into degree, it will be pi over 6 multiplied by 180 over pi. So pi goes, then 6 into 6, which is 1, 6 into 180, which is 30. And here it will be 2 pi minus 12 sine. So here we have sine 30. 2 multiplied by 3.142. We are going to have 6.284 minus, when you multiply 12 multiplied by sine, because sine 30 it is 0.5, so you're going to multiply 12 multiplied by 0.5, which is minus 6, which is 6.284. Minus 6, we are going to have 0.284. So this is length. This is a difference in length of this is a difference in chord AB and arc AB. So this is our answer, the length, which is centimeters. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the message.